Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Adobe Acrobat failed to load its core DLL error. So, first is repair the installation. Select these three lines, go to Help and click on Repair Installation. In the dialog that appears, select Yes. Now go to Windows Control Panel, go to Programs, and then Programs and Features. Select Adobe Acrobat from the list and then select Repair. Step 2. Disable Protected Mode. Launch the Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader and select the three lines and go to Preferences. From the left menu, select Security, Enhance. Under Sandbox Protection, uncheck the Enable Protected Mode at Startup checkbox. In the dialog that appears, select Yes and then select OK. So here's a preview on what you'll be doing here. Now step 3, verify location on installed application. Ensure that Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader are installed on the local system drive. Installing on a map drive isn't a supported configuration. Last option is to uninstall and reinstall. Uninstall and reinstall the Adobe Acrobat. And that's basically it.